Hello guys, good evening. How have you been? Yes, today we meet again for this session today. Yes, my name is Idi, civil and structural engineer based here in Nairobi, Kenya. And today we want to look at moving objects as part of our ACP, Autodesk Certified Professional Exam preparation. Notice that we have that subtopic in our outline, in our exam objectives. So in this case, you will be asked to open this particular drawing. You'll be directed to the drawing. This drawing comes when you install the software and you start running your exam. The drawings are downloaded automatically. So in this case, you'll be asked to open a particular view, and in this case we will look at the copy room view, and what we want to do is to move the question, in this case asked us to move this particular computer 2.5 units to the right and 1.5 units downwards. So in that case, you have the option of going to the home tab and selecting move and selecting your object, but you also need to save time. Remember, this is a 2-hour exam and you have 35 questions to cover. So I'll type in, let's do that again. I'll type in M, press enter. M is for move. I'll select my objects, then press enter. In that case, with any snap option that is available, I'm able to select a particular point. In this case, my insertion point for this block is the snap which is on, and I'm able to move that. I'll lock my auto mode on by pressing F8 or clicking down here, but because of saving, you want to save time, you'll definitely press F8. In that case, we'll move 2.5 units to the right, and you'll select your object, press M, move. You'll pick it from that point and move it 1.5 units downwards. Then the next thing you're asked to measure the distance. We'll type in DI from one of these corners, unlock our auto mode by pressing F8 to this particular corner. Then I'll press F2, and I have my recent commands. I'll select my distance value, press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V into the software, and open my exam software and Ctrl V, press that particular value.